Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at excretion. If organisms don't remove toxic waste from their body, at a point it will start disturbing them. So there is this importance for living organisms to always from time to time remove waste products so that they can take in fresh things that will help in their body metabolism. Those waste products come out due to body activities, body metabolism and other things. And excretion is not only done to remove waste products. Excretion is also done to do what we call osmoregulation, maintenance of the body, hemostasis, body balance, maintaining the salt balance, the water balance. Excess water, the body is able to take it out through excretion. So we can say that excretion is the removal of waste products from the body of living organisms. Now, various organisms has various parts or organs that enable them to do the excretion. And we're going to be looking at all these organisms and these various parts that enable them to do excretion. So we're going to be starting with protozoa. And protozoa has its excretory part as contractile vacuole that helps it to remove water. Now we have other animals like the flatworm. You know, when we looked at the classification of animals, we looked at single-celled organisms, the flatworms and all the rest of them. So each of them has the various parts that they use for excretion. The flatworm uses what we call phlegm cells. The annelids uses what we call nephridia. The insects use Mapian tubules. The vertebrates, like we all know, are animals that have backbone, animals with complete system. They don't have just one organ for excretion. Like the vertebrates has the skin, where we remove sweat from, the lungs to remove CO2, the liver for bile, the kidney for urine. Now we have plants. The plants do not have explicit excretion just like we have in animals, but they can store what they have excreted on the part of their body. So they have excretory parts like the stomata and the lenticels. Now let's look at these various organs that these organisms have as their excretory parts and the very excretory product that gets out of them. Now let's look at the contractile vacuole as it has by the protozoa has. This contractile vacuole removes the following excretory waste: water, ammonia, and carbonaceous substances. The phlegm cells remove nitrogenous waste. The nephridia also removes nitrogenous waste. The Mapian tubules for the insects removes uric acid and CO2. The mammalian skin removes sweat, which is a combination of salt and water. The lungs of mammals also removes CO2 and water vapor. The liver removes bile salt. The kidney removes urine, which is a combination of urea, salt and water. The stomata removes oxygen and CO2. And the stems of plants, the angiosperms, removes latex, gums and mucilage. So those are the various parts of the organisms and the various excretory products that come out from them.